Today I'm going to make reinstalling Windows easier because I have a habit of trying out Linux, then it doesn't work out at all, so then having to reinstall Windows so that I can get back to an understandable operating system, which can be really annoying because I have to install all of the Windows updates and reinstall my important programs like Epic Games for playing Fortnite or Steam to play Halo Master Chief Collection. And when I want to play Super Smash Melee, I have to go through the effort of getting the ISO and configuring my Xbox controller. Well, today I'm going to fix that with the power of WIM files. WIM files is how the operating system is packaged. When you get a Windows ISO just like this one, and if you take a look inside of the sources folder, you will see an install.wim. All of the other files on the ISO are just there to automate the installation. Open the install.esd with an archive program like 7-zip. It will look strange because it has folders of 1 to 7, and that's because there are multiple additions in this image. If it was one addition, it would be install.wim. You go back to the VM and do dism/get wim info and then /wimfile.install.esd. It will show 7 indexes. So I got all of the programs which I want to have when I capture my image into this WIM file. There's 101 gigabytes of stuff used here. But I think it will compress it down so that it's not as big. But let's try this anyways. So you want to make sure that you have something like WinPE, a Windows ISO. We will do it the more simple way, which is to go into the recovery environment. So to get into the recovery environment, you want to go to settings, and then we go to update and security, and then we go to recovery. We go to advanced startup, and we restart. So now we are going to go into troubleshoot, advanced options, and then here we'll go to command prompt. Here it will ask for your user, which I'm Mindground, and I'll have to enter my password. So then we are at the command prompt, so we can begin. I'm not sure how I'd do this, but we are going to do some commands here. Enter, and there's a bunch of commands, and the one to which we want to do is here is capture image, which is what we want to use. Let's do dism capture image image file winmine.wim, and then we do /capture. We do /capture dir, which is the C drive, just like that. Just that command, mine, enter. So I had to create a partition bigger size than my hard drive. So I had to shrink the main partition and make a separate one. So I'll see you after the capture. So I captured the WIM file. I had to make a partition to which is bigger than the amount of files to which is on my in D. I made 117 gigs big. So now in here, it has all the files which I have stored. If we go to users and then mine the ground, it will have all of the files. So we are going to test this. So to do that, I will apply this to this partition, and then I'll delete the old ones. I just forgot a few things. So firstly, I think we then want to name this WIM file so that we know what this is. There are some files here to which you would probably want. If we go and open this is as script to which Microsoft has made automate the partition part of the whole thing, which is good. We will also have apply.bat, another script which will apply this to all of the drives. So it does clean the drive, which is what we don't want. Let's go and delete that. Like if I delete that, like I don't really want it to wipe the drive. I just wanted to make these partitions because like I don't want it to delete the image. So yeah, I'm gonna save this and I'll see you. Here is the installer once again, and I'm gonna see if that drive is labeled so that we don't delete it. So there it is. So we do not delete this, but we delete all of these ones. Careful here now. Very scary. Deleting these partitions. Now deleting the WIM file one. Okay. We will leave this. Do Shift F10. And then here we will run those files. So I'm going to copy three of those files over to the RAM drive. So let's do that. So I just copied all of this over to the X drive, and now we are going to begin. So we want to do disk part, then /s, and then we do uefi.txt. I press enter. Well, blurred, and it's doing it, and now it's done. So now, there is now so there is the Windows partition, the system partition. So now we will go and do the apply command bat, and we want to go and point to where our image is stored, which is in the D drive. So I just did this command with the name of the WIM file, and it is now applying the image to the hard drive, which is the W drive, to which we have up here. But anyway, so here is the WIM file copied over. So now we'll do bcd boot, a command to copy over the boot files. Actually, I think it did that in the apply.bat. So they were copied over to the W drive. So now we can go and reboot our system, hoping that Windows is installed. So we do winpe util, and while this happens, you want to plug out your USB drive. And fingers crossed, it is installed. It is starting. Yo! This is working. And I'll kind of tell you the proof by showing when these files were made. Anyway, well, you kind of saw the proof of me deleting the partitions, so that should be good. And Windows is booted up, and I can put in my password. And it's now loading. So this was all installed. I did delete the operating system. It was all wiped, and now it's all back with my user account and hopefully all of the Windows updates, drivers, and applications. So whenever I accidentally delete my Windows thing, it's all here, bro. Oh my god. This is my first time doing this, and I am very happy that this has actually worked. We have Fortnite installed, we have Steam installed, and every game which was installed. And if we go to this part, and even all of the programs to which would normally start up has actually happened to which are saved. So yeah, this is really cool, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.